end of foil to end of glass. Alright? Grab it, go down, you get here, see the finger, get that started. I'm going to be all shaky and stuff because I haven't done this in a while. So like I said, pull past it, get the piece in there. It's like riding a bike. Using my thumb to push, this finger to hold down the top. You know, here, now here you can just do that line up because it's a very small area. You don't have to follow it around. It's a small piece. But again, lay your tool down flat. Here, you know, you can do the old way of lining it up. I mean, or you could have just ended it at the edge of the glass. But I can't even see. I gotta put my glasses on. Basically, this demonstration is more or less showing how the foil tool will center your foil for you with very little effort. There's no peeking over the top, you know, no this and that. And then with the crimping, you know, with the duct tape, you got a little point here, you just roll it over. Right? That. And as you can see, got it pretty darn straight. Yeah, right where it needs to be.